put your lighters up. Inky Well, J, B says all day. And this reality not funny, right? Yeah. Ben Rosen on the keys tonight, right? Look. Sometimes I feel like I'm on the road to nowhere. I go to breathe, but my vocals get no air. Something gotta give if I can live like this. I gotta find a way to make my name exist. But I don't wanna go out with a snap and a twist. But I ain't trying to be the old-time top lyricist. I can probably tell your girl to go and shake it around, but mama would come and tell me to cut it out. Yeah, so I guess you just ain't. There's probably millions with the name, but none in sync with the thought process. Mine like riddling. I can even write without excess. Gibberish to write out. Blame it on the new age, cause we don't read enough. We just in decay. We supposed to be the future, but even with glasses on, I don't think I can see my present.
Can you tell me what it's like? Yeah. To know what you want in life. But I ain't feeling this life. Nah, this just can't be right. So I'ma keep on flying till I touch the sky. And if I'm to fall, at least I had a good flight.
Since I've gotten older, I've only grown bitter. Maybe it's my past coming back to get me. At a young age, I wasn't really a fit of this. Stole everybody's lines, made a bit of real shit. Or maybe when I stole all the money from a fam, a Mike or Harold. But they understand being broke, no joke, like some bitch. The kids ain't laughing, they looking for Uncle Sam. He ain't living where I live. And the top 3% will probably be their kids for a quick meal and bail out St. Street. For sounding and rich shit. But I ain't usually the type to pockets. But unfortunately, there's some things I can't ignore. What comes off is cream and always chips galore. Watch your assets before they take yours.
Can you tell me what it's like to know what you want in life? But I ain't feeling this life. Nah, this just can't be right. So I'ma keep on flying till I touch the sky. At least I had a good flight.
Much growth, yeah, I make growth. She like that line, she a bird to watch your mouth. And don't try to pop the lip round me. We all know you're here down south. Ouch.
Can you tell me what it's like to know what you want in life?